Welcome to Smart Library Solutions, your trusted guide to mastering Koha, the world's leading open-source library management system. In this hands-on tutorial, you'll learn how to create authorized subject headings and keywords to enhance catalog accuracy and discoverability, using artificial intelligence by example, written by Denis Rothman as our demonstration. Let's get started and take your Koha cataloging skills to the next level. First, why do subject headings matter? Before diving into Koha, let's explore the role of subject headings. These standardized terms act as smart tags, improving search efficiency and accuracy for users. Enhanced search precision, improved discoverability, consistent cataloging, semantic relationships like broader or narrower concepts, and future-proof organization that can adapt to emerging fields such as AI and biotechnology. Now, let's move to Part 2, adding authorized topical terms in Koha. First, log into the Koha staff interface and navigate to the Authorities module. Click New Authority and select Topical Term. In the MARC Authority record screen, autofill the necessary fields. 00, 003, 005, 008, and 40. In MARC field 150, subfield A, type Computer Science, then click Save. Repeat the same process for Machine Learning and Robotics to add them as additional authorized terms. In Part 3, we'll create an authorized term with references. Start by adding Artificial Intelligence as a new authority. Autofill the standard fields, and in MARC 150, subfield A, enter Artificial Intelligence. To add variant terms, also known as see-from references, enter terms like AI, and machine intelligence in MARC 450. To include broader, narrower, and related terms, use MARC field 550. For broader terms, link to computer science and select the relationship as broader. For narrower terms, link to machine learning and set it as narrower. For related terms such as robotics, leave the relationship field as default. Save the record once all references are added. In Part 4, verify the authority record in Koha. Go to Authorities via the staff interface or OPAC and search for Artificial Intelligence. Confirm that it shows a broader term, computer science, a narrower term, machine learning, and a related term, robotics. That means you've successfully created and verified a complete authority record. Next, in Part 5, let's add the authorized topical term to a MARC record. Go to Cataloging and click on Fast Cataloging. Fill in the bibliographic details for the book, ISBN 9781788990028, language English, class number 0006.3, book number R08A, author Denis Rothman, title Artificial Intelligence, by example, 2nd edition, published in the UK by Pact Publishing in 2018. For the subject added entry, use MARC field 650 and click the Authority Tag Editor next to subfield A. Search for and select Computer Science, then do the same for other headings like Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, and Robotics. If the Authority Tag Editor is missing, go to Cataloging Configuration, MARC Bibliographic Frameworks. Choose your framework, then under tag 650 and subfield A, set the source to topical term and save the settings. Now, subfield A in 650 will require validated authority control. Part 6 is about verifying the authority record. Once added, go to the Authorities module or OPAC and search Artificial Intelligence. In the full record view, the subject heading should appear as clickable links with magnifying glass icons and hierarchy indicators. Clicking the magnifying glass opens the authority record, while clicking the text runs a subject search. If that works, congratulations. You've correctly linked topical terms to your record. In Part 7, let's explore automatic linking. Open the bibliographic record in Koha and click Edit Record. Then click Link Authorities Automatically. In the MARC 6 and 50 fields, green highlights indicate that a matching authority was found. Red means no match. To fix this, click Create Authority. Autofill the standard fields, enter your term in 150A, and click Save. The red field should turn green, confirming a successful link. Finally, in Part 8, we cover importing authority records using the Z3950 protocol. This allows you to retrieve standardized data from external bibliographic databases. Start by configuring Z3950 servers in the Administration module. Click New Z3950 Server and enter the hostname, port, and other settings. Choose Authority as the record type. Then go to the Authorities module and click Z3950SRU Search. Enter a term, select a server, and hit Search. Preview the results and click Import on the record you need. You can also edit existing records manually or replace them using Z3950. To merge duplicates, search for the duplicate authority, click Action, then Merge. Choose a primary record, review the merge, and confirm. Link any imported authority to relevant bibliographic records as needed. And that's it! You've now learned how to create, import, link, and manage subject headings and keywords in Koha like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Smart Library Solutions, and click the bell for more library tech tips. See you next time.